Join me for an in-depth tutorial on shoemaking using techniques I've crafted over 40 years. My name is Sarah McIntosh, and I'm the founder and CEO of Chicago School of Shoemaking and Leather Arts. Our 90-minute tutorial will teach you everything you need to know about how to make your first pair of shoes using some tools you may already have at home. I'll teach you how to cut and skive edges, assemble, shape and form your shoes, and how to set your eyelets. Once you learn the fundamental Outstitch technique with us, you'll be ready to make almost any style of shoe. The video and package of materials comes with a written manual that is time-stamped to the video. That will help you review important steps in the process. Let's make some shoes together. During my 40-plus years of making shoes for people, I developed a number of different styles based on this technique of Outstitch. My first shoe was the desert boot, so that's why I wanted to start you off on your first pair with the desert boot. I think it's the simplest shoe to make and the easiest shoe to fit.